Good morning. This is your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing, continuing with some sunny conditions and chillier conditions out there this morning. Have since seen things warm up slightly, seeing temperatures currently in the mid 50s and still continuing with a light northerly wind. We will continue as well on a dry and quiet weather pattern as we move through the week this week, with mainly high pressure in control, with the next chance of seeing any rain possibly will be during the PM time frame on Friday. If we take a look at our current surface analysis, again, that high pressure in control over the region will stay mainly in control of the forecast as we move over the coming days. As mentioned, we'll see winds shifting more southerly with some warmer air moving in with some above average temperatures. And again, a cold front expected to push through the area Friday evening, bringing that next chance for some precipitation. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning sounding, seeing a more northerly wind closer to the surface, and then that wind becoming more west-northwesterly to northwesterly as we get up in the mid and upper levels, seeing our peak wind today 43 knots at 20,000 feet, and the freezing level is at 10,200 feet. If we look at our current visible satellite, we see just a few high clouds streaming into the region. Expect that trend to continue as we move through the day today with some increasing high clouds. And then as we get into the evening, we'll see a chance for some lower level clouds building in. If we take a look at the European model here, we're zoomed out to look at the big picture here. We'll see that area of high pressure lingering over the region continues to do so as we move through our work week this week. With some showers well off the coast, not expecting any impact from that. We'll see those winds shifting more subtly as we get particularly into Wednesday and things starting to become more mild. But as you can see, a long dry pattern as we move through the week this week, with some gradually milder temperatures moving towards the end of the week, and then this cold front starts to push into the region again during the PM time frame on Friday. As you can see, the European model indicating some showers with this boundary pushing through. Overall, not looking like much of a soaking event, but does look like we'll see a possibility of some rain chances over the region. But again, in past events like this, we have seen the trend go drier with these boundaries pushing through, so could see that happen. So right now we'll be keeping an eye on that. But nonetheless, as that boundary pushes through, we'll bring in some cooler temperatures once again, more seasonable temperatures as we move into our weekend forecast. And once again, high pressure building in and keeping things dry and quiet for the weekend. So if we look at our 24-hour weather risk chart for today, overall green conditions expected for the next 24 hours. We'll see our high temperature climbing up to around 62 degrees. We'll see winds start to shift more northeasterly to easterly as we get into the afternoon as well. We'll see winds 7 to 12 knots at their peak this afternoon, and then going into the evening we'll see those winds more southeasterly and then becoming light and variable as we get into the early morning hours of Tuesday, and we'll see our temperatures cooling to around 47 degrees, which is about average for this time of year. Do have a chance of some increasing clouds as we go into the evening, with those high clouds on the increase, and we'll start to see some lower clouds around 3,000 feet as we move through the overnight and early morning hours of Tuesday as well. Right now, tides are running slightly below normal. Extended forecast, again, as mentioned, dry and quiet weather, pretty much partly cloudy as we move through the remainder of the week. We'll see some slightly breezy winds for Wednesday and Thursday, as well as into Friday, and that will have a southerly component. So we'll see those temperatures climbing into the mid-70s as we get into Wednesday. Our low temperatures in the upper 50s, right around 60, and then we'll pick up that chance for some increasing clouds, as well as about a 40% chance of some rain showers as we get into the PM time frame on Friday. And then things cool back down as we move into the weekend, partly to mostly cloudy periods through the weekend, with temperatures in the mid-60s for our highs and upper 40s for our lows. That's going to wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.